Hello, all you beautiful butterflies. Today I'm going to be doing a mini brands unboxing. This is actually my first time doing mini brand, like unboxing it myself. I have watched unboxings and I've always kind of wanted to do it. They seem like really cool to do, and I love tiny things. They make me cry sometimes. So yeah, and they fit the Barbie size. If you saw that little Barbie head poking in there, no, they fit the Barbie. Some of the things fit the Barbie's like size, you know. So whenever I actually opened this, I didn't realize how like immaculate of a sound it would make. So I didn't like try to make it silent in my house so that I could record that sound. But the next one that I do, I record the sound. So if y'all are wanting an unboxing sound type ASMR thing, sorry, this is a voiceover. So yeah, but you know, the next one will have a sound is what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, this is actually one of my favorite parts, the like little rubbery thing that you take off at the top. One of my faves. I'm going to see, this one has the like little guide, little shopping, little collector's guide. It has a little collector's guide in it. So I wanted to open that one first, not getting any like surprises or anything. You know, I'm just gonna kind of go over what I want. So with the like little cashier thing, I didn't really want that. I wanted this shopping cart because that'll fit dolls, like the 12-inch ones that I really enjoy to play with, or not play with, but like do like pose and take photos. I don't know. I really kind of wanted that shopping cart. Everything else wasn't really gonna fit my size of doll, if you know what I mean. Now out of the common things, most of the things that I actually got, I didn't want. I wanted this donuts. I thought it was so cute, especially if it was like in that little triangle prism thing. Like, oh my gosh, it would have been adorable. That little cup would have totally, at least I'm hoping, fit my dolls, you know. Though, you know. Nothing down here that I really wanted. If we go up, those syrup bottles and Skippy peanut butter, like I wanted that. I want that so bad still. You know, if that leads to anything. The metallics and the glow in the dark one, actually, I really wanted this moon pie one. The gold I wasn't really interested in. So yeah. Maybe like the cup, but I mean still, I like the pink cup better. Pink is my favorite color. Well, rainbow's a good color too, but pink, like if you think about it, it's just so amazing. So anyways, the first thing that I actually got was a wet ones, which yes I didn't intend on wanting, but once I actually saw it, like look at the cap detail. What, like why would they actually put detail on a cap that you're not even going to be able to open, you know? Anyways, like there was I didn't even realize how much detail was in these. I'm not going to go over to the detail on all of them, just ones that I like something stands out on the detail, you know, because then it's just like, oh my gosh, there was detail on every single one, and they're like, okay, we get it, you know. But yeah, I didn't want that from the collector's guide, but once I actually got it, I thought it was like the cutest thing ever. And then this one, it's a tanning thingy, tanning rub, I don't know what it's called. I don't use this type of stuff, but it's Hawaiian Tropic Tanning Lotion. There we go. It has, of course, you know, writings and scribblings on it. The cap is different than the other cap, which is, you know, just amazing. They're not using like same caps for each one. They're actually like trying to make it look like the real thing. Then we got the metallic wet ones, which I'm glad I didn't get like an actual double, you know, and so it was a metallic one, so then it would look different. But I think the wet ones are so cute. This one was like almost made me cry when I saw it. It was the freaking cutest thing ever, and it had a little like sponge squishy in it to make it look like there was little thingies in it. Oh my gosh, I'm still freaking out over it. I loved it. I like these better than the bottle ones. You know, it was just so amazing. And it had like little package details on it, like you were opening, like you could open it and stuff, and it just almost made me cry. Like I said, cute things make me cry. And then I got a sharpening cart, which I really didn't want, so I'm just gonna put together at the end of the video. It comes with instructions. I'm not gonna follow that, girl. No. Here's the ASMR sounds. Oh, that was just right. Come on now. That was amazing. Sorry that I can't have sounds anymore. Like I said, my house can't be quiet forever. So then I take this little plastic thing off. I'm not sure what that's called, but it's like one of my favorite parts about the unboxing. And then I got an airhead. Airheads, I don't really like airheads that much, but I mean, it had that little sponge thing in it. I already saw that, you know, I can't really fit my dolls, you know, so I'm just, you know, you can keep it. You can keep it. But one thing that I did notice is that you see how this, like, little part right here is covering, like, some more detail? I just thought that was so, like, it was so, amazing to me how they actually put detail under that thing. Like, no one's gonna look under there. Why even put detail? But they did anyways. And I just love that. This is another one of my favorites, the shaving cream, or the shaving foam. I absolutely think this is adorable. This is, hold on, let me think. I think this is my favorite. This one didn't make me cry though, because it wasn't like cute, but it's just so incredibly accurate, you know? And for how small it is, I couldn't. I almost cried. And then we just got like one of these little thing. I don't know what this is called. A display thing that we got another one. I kind of don't like how they put those in there. Like, it takes away from certain things. I wish they put it in like some of them, but not all of them. But oh well. And then I got this Edge shaving cream. The other one was foam because it's a spritz one, and then this one is cream because you would like actually take it out of the little cap. It's called Edge. I've never really seen it in before, so you know. I think this is the last one, and this one was disappointing. This one was like made me angry. Whenever I saw this on the collector's guide, I was like, I so hope that I don't get that. I so hope I don't get that because, I mean, maybe my dolls aren't vegetarian, but I am, and it just made me mad. It just made me mad to see this. And it even said real bacon. If it was like fake bacon, I would have been like, yes, and so I just threw it away. No, I didn't actually throw it away. I gave it to my sister because she wanted it, you know. But that just made me so mad, and I was like, how does that happen? How does that happen? It made me, oh my gosh, I'm still mad about it. Well, anyways, here is my whole collection mess, and I'm going to just, you know, make it beautiful for you. That actually took like 10 minutes to set up, so you're welcome. I know. So we have come over here to the wet ones aisle with shaving cream on the top, of course, the cutest thing that we probably got. Like, this is all the stuff that I wanted, and then this is all the stuff that I'm like, you can keep it. You can keep it. We're going to ignore the first thing that was, you know, in the basket and just go to this Edge. How cute. The shaving cream thing or whatever. But yeah, anyways, that's all for me today. I really hope you enjoyed this. If y'all want some more unboxing videos, especially for Christmas, because, you know, people want to know what to, you want to, I don't know, like, go ahead and subscribe. You'll see a little bell, and if you click that, then you'll get all of my notifications, which is just amazing for you. No, then, you know, hit the like if you like this video, leave a comment if you want to, and in my description, you'll find just a little bit more about my channel, some more of my social media platforms that I have. Like, I have TikTok and Instagram. If y'all want to go see those, you'll see like previews of videos and fun stuff like that. But anyways, that's all for me today, so goodbye.